Your story is what you have. It is something to own. Every challenge you've faced, every setback you've overcome, every lesson you've learned has prepared you for something greater. Your story isn't a weakness, it's your greatest asset. It's proof that you've persevered, adapted, and continued moving forward when others would have given up. The people who make the biggest impact in business aren't always the ones with the most experience. They're the ones who are willing to take action, embrace change, and believe their next chapter can be better than their last. At TruPowur, your past doesn't define your future. Whether you've worked in sales, customer service, real estate, insurance, or you're simply looking for a better opportunity, what matters most is your willingness to learn, grow, and help others. Imagine building a business where every customer you help has the opportunity to lower an expense they already pay every month. Imagine creating long-term, compounding residual income while delivering real value by helping families and businesses reduce their energy costs. This isn't about convincing people to spend more money. It's about helping them make smarter financial decisions while you build a business with unlimited earning potential. Your story brought you to this moment. What happens next is your decision. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.